So in this question we have a compound neopentyl alcohol which when heated with acid it slowly converted into 85 ratio of 15 mixtures of alkenes of A and B respectively. We need to find these alkenes. So we will do the reaction with the neopentyl alcohol. So let me correct this. So this is the structure for neopentyl alcohol. So when heated, this will come out and only remaining will be this. So there will be M shifting in this, me shifting. So it will be converted into this, which will give 85% of this structure and 15% of this structure. So from the options, the correct option is option third.